There is a company called Muddy Waters, which specializes in finding frauds, accounting frauds in companies. Normally, it concentrates on Chinese companies listed in America. The Chinese system is very opaque, and most Chinese companies listed in America do one fraud or the other. He was recently in news for creating the downfall of an Indian empire. Welcome back to Berich. Muddy water is the name that comes from a Chinese proverb which says muddy water makes it easy to catch fish. In London, in December, he sent out an innocuous tweet saying that they will be releasing a report on an Indian London-based company doing some accounting fraud. Even before they could release the report, the stocks of NMC Healthcare, an Indian-owned company based in Dubai, listed in London, crashed. From a height of 40 pounds, today the stock has become worthless. This is run by B.R. Shetty. B.R. Shetty is from Karnataka, coastal Karnataka. He landed in Dubai in 1973 with $8 in his pocket. He started as a pharma representative, opened NMC Healthcare with pharma and consulting rooms in two-room operation with his wife as a first doctor. Over a period of time, his business grew and NMC Healthcare finally listed in London in 2012, the first Abu Dhabi company to list in London Stock Exchange. He used stock as currency and borrowed heavily to set up a group of companies. He had already started a UAE exchange, exchanging for money exchanger between India and UAE. In turn, he converted all these assets into a London-based company called Finbear. He had acquired a British company called Travelex, also in the money-changing business. But he lived a royal life. He had a fleet of Rolls-Royce, 2 floors in Burj Khalifa, moved with the high and mighty, and at his peak was valued at $4.2 billion. But basically, he used his stock to borrow money and trade and to create more assets. All good things have to come to an end. What he had done is he had basically overstated his revenue in his health company, understated his debt. In his travel UAE exchange, checks were issued without authorization. 100 million pounds of checks went without proper authorization. Muddy water opened a can of worms. The stock crashed. Shetty resigned from the board, stepped down from the boards, and landed up in India, saying he's here to take care of his brother. Shetty lived a very flashy lifestyle and was considered a demigod in coastal Karnataka area. He was, before 1973, he was a local politician, and having realized that his politics would not get him anywhere, he decided to migrate to United Arab Emirates, and that's where he made his fortune. Warren Buffett is very famous for saying this, and it's on my t-shirt today. If you buy things that you don't need today, very soon you will sell things that you need. The hubris of power got to Shetty's head. He used his stock as currency, borrowed heavily, invested in businesses which he had no idea how to run, and the whole empire came crashing down. Even before Corona, the price had dropped from 40 pounds to 8 pounds, and today it is nothing. The Abu Dhabi police have registered a fraud case against him because most of the money he owes is to banks based in Abu Dhabi. He is sitting ensconced in northern Karnataka with the protection of the government and talking that I have launched my own investigation. Soon things will clear. And he is unable to travel to Abu Dhabi because of the restrictions, and he wants to travel and clear his name. This looks to be a tall order. It's a sad end to a great story. I remember Warren Buffett. When you buy things you don't need, soon you will need to sell things that you need. You do not know when the world debt market contracts and you have to show up with cash. This is one of such times. Many such businesses will come crashing. Be careful where you put your money. Don't get trapped with BR Shetty. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notifications. Kindly share this video with your friends and relatives. There's a WhatsApp number given below. If you'd like a copy of my books, you can send a message and my team would get in touch with you. Finally, if you want to directly get in touch with me, send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for supporting Be Rich.